guys, hey, I'm Daphne, and I want to thank you so much for checking out my channel. My goal is to just live life, share it with you guys. Let's go through this journey together. I sing and I do acting, and I also have a freelance marketing business and public relations. And I am just a Jackie of all trades, and I'm a lifelong learner. So I decided to create this channel many years ago, and I'm finally doing it because of so many reasons. Being a millennial, we have this negative perception about us, and I want to prove people wrong. And I want to help my fellow peeps out with stuff that I've learned along the way, and just share some information and, just like I said, live life. So you're going to hear from me when it comes to finances and investing, life, dating, relationships, friendships, hobbies, singing and acting, business, my marketing and PR business, and just a plethora of things. I am debating how I want to set this up. I don't want to be a channel that is all over the place, because I've read around, you don't want to do that. However, I don't have one thing just yet, because this is more a lifestyle, and this is the overall lifestyle. Like I'm not a makeup guru. I'm not a beauty guru whatsoever. I can sit and watch beauty videos for hours, and this is as good as I can get at this point right now. And this is like, I'm proud of this. So don't talk about me makeup gurus, but seriously, I invest and I trade. There's a difference. And like I said, I sing and I act. I'm actually about to embark on a new journey with my music. I've been singing since I was in 2nd grade. I have a degree in music, and I've always loved music, but I didn't pursue it full time, or even part-time for that matter, because I focused heavily on building other people's businesses and brands, and I didn't work on mine at all. Like, I literally abandoned myself. Like, I did not love myself. So this vlog is also about that self-love journey and healing, because I put myself on a back burner, made all these people look really good over the course of my life so far, and then I left myself feeling empty and lost and alone. And now I don't have a following, and of course everybody's like, you don't want to do this, you don't want to do that, you don't have a following. But you have to start somewhere, right? So here I am. I've started. This is the first step to absolute success. I started. I'm honest. I'm open. I'm me. And the people that are for me, right? So you guys are going to watch me as I try to market myself, as I try to work on my own personal brand and not another person's. Because like I said, I'm good at doing corporate branding. I'm good at doing other people. But for myself, it's a confidence thing. So after, I'm still in my healing program, but after going through like the first phase of it, I've learned so much about myself. And the thing is, I'm pretty dope, y'all. I know we're just getting acquainted, and you're like, well, we don't know yet. You're just telling us. I'm telling you guys, I'm pretty freaking awesome, and I didn't know it. And you're probably really awesome too, and you don't know it. It's funny how that works, Everybody else can see your potential. They can see how amazing you are, and you don't. I saw a meme somewhere that being lazy is a slap in the face to the people that believe in you. You know what? I think I'm going to start living by that, because that is how I feel sometimes. Like, dang, I feel so bad. Such and such thinks I'm so amazing. They think I could do this. They think I could do that. And here I am. I feel like a bum. And I actually do a lot of dope stuff. And sometimes I don't put myself out there all the way. Like, I might dip my toe in there a little bit, but to like really do something, I don't. So you guys, I want to share this journey with you. Let's go on an adventure. I love to travel. I have a lot of travel videos that I have never uploaded. I love life even when it has its challenges. Sometimes I have to tell myself that 1,000 times, and I'm like, why? Why does life have to be so hard? Yeah, that's me every other day. And then we have days like today where I get up at 6 a.m. without an alarm. I drink my green smoothie. I take my sea moss and my ashwagandha vitamins and my Queen V vitamins. And here I am, I'm feeling fan-flippin-tastic. I did my makeup. I actually took my time because yes, I am one of those people. I told y'all I'm not a beauty person. So I will, if I do put on makeup, I'll put it all over and I'll look crazy. Today, I took an extra 5 to 10 minutes. And I'm proud. So welcome guys, welcome to my channel. I know that's not necessarily a traditional intro video, but I'm not a traditional person. I'm not your average person. I know we all say that. I'm not your average girl. I'm not. I'm quirky. I'm corny. I like to have fun. I am a free spirit person. I have a bubbly personality from time to time, most of the time, but I can also handle business. I'm a lover of people and I'm kind-hearted, and I have a passion for music and changing the world. That sounds like a Miss America speech. And I want world peace. Yeah, that's been a dream of mine, but I don't think, the pageantry thing is for me. The whole swimsuit thing, do they still do that? I don't know if I want to see me in a swimsuit. I'm just being real, okay? But no, seriously guys, this is me, 100%. And one thing that I want to teach other people, especially young girls, is to just be you 100%. Don't worry about what anyone else has to say. Don't worry about, what the consequences are for you being you. Just be you. If you dope, be the dope you that you are, okay? So, welcome to the world of Daph.